So you've made it to the end of the course. And before we talk about the next step in your education, I just want to thank you because you have given me the opportunity to spend the last 5-6 years of my life learning about the market, finding my passion for trading and my passion for technical analysis, and most importantly, the love that I have for teaching and sharing this information with people. And by taking this course, you've allowed me to do that. And I really, just truly thank you. So now that you've done this course, you've noticed, I'm sure, that there is a ton of information. We've spent almost 2 hours talking about the most basic fundamental aspects of technical analysis, and there's almost an unlimited amount of information that you can learn in the future. There are patterns, Elliott waves, you can learn about market dynamics. There are thousands of indicators, algorithms that people are developing, new strategies and edges that are coming out every day. There are books about market psychology and trading psychology and entire strategies just about using that sort of information to give you an edge. Trend analysis, sentiment analysis. My point is, if you want to learn about the market, there is lifetimes of information here. And really the key is figuring out where you're going to go next and what you're going to focus on. So I would suggest staying basic, stay with technical analysis, and find a source for materials that you enjoy. If you enjoy our videos, if you enjoy the way that we teach and approach things, then we have courses that you can utilize and find out more information for. If you're not into what we have to offer, there are other sources that are online. And all the information for technical analysis is online or in textbooks, but you need to trust your sources. Make sure that the people that you are going to be giving your money to have your interests at heart, that they have been in the market for a long time, that they have a good reputation. Don't just spend your money on any old course that you happen upon. Make sure that you understand what's going on, how long these people have been in the market, and what their goals are. There's a lot of materials on Amazon about technical analysis. My favorite book here, Technical Analysis of Financial Markets. In my opinion, this is probably the only one that you need. And I could do a course focused just on the information here, and we would spend literally days together. There's a ton of information there. And I really suggest that if you love technical analysis, you pick this book up. There are a lot of courses online. And as I mentioned, you got to trust your sources. There are a lot of good courses, a lot of really excellent courses, but there is a lot of really bad shoddy material out there too. So please be careful. Another way that you can learn more is through peer education, finding a nice trading group and a community to be a part of. For me, community is everything. I absolutely love trading with our community, and I think it is the greatest thing that the chart guys have ever done. And I encourage everyone to go out and find a community that you feel is a good fit for you. It may not be with us, it may be somewhere else, but as long as you're happy, you're getting effective information, and you're learning from your peers, you're going to do very well. A mentor is also an excellent way to get some help. They help you connect the dots between different concepts, explain things in different ways, and they can be very good for doing trade reviews, walking you through your day-to-day, and helping you get over some of the hurdles that you will encounter during your journey as an analyst. I want to give you a gentle warning. Avoid gurus who offer you an easy way to trade. There are no 3 simple steps for trading. It's not as easy as applying a strategy. There's no easy way to do this, guys. Trading is difficult. Technical analysis is difficult. It is very hard to succeed in technical analysis. You need to do the work. You need to study, you need to practice, you need to build your experience, you need to pay your dues, and you need to treat it like any other job. It's tough, but it can work, and people can make money with technical analysis. You just need to be able to put in the effort to get there. You need to learn to find your own trades. Don't rely on other people to give you information. It's very illegal, in fact, for people to be recommending buying or selling particular assets or stocks unless you're licensed. And the vast majority of people who are recommending these services or providing these services are not licensed to do so. At the Chart Guys, we do not ever tell anyone to buy or sell. That's not what we do. We want to teach you how to find your own trades. And I suggest that wherever you end up, you find someone who's willing to do or is interested in doing the same thing. If you find someone offering 3 simple steps and buy and sell recommendations, they're not going to teach you anything, and you need to move on. Lastly, invest in a good espresso machine. You're going to spend a lot of time in front of a textbook. You're going to spend a lot of time in front of the computer, but I hope you find it as interesting as I do, and I really hope that you give us the opportunity to keep teaching you and sharing our passion with you. And I really thank you again for taking this course. And I hope to hear from you soon. Please feel free to send me an email if you have any questions about this course, you have particular questions about your trading future, or you're just interested in learning more about TA. please send me a note. I'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you so much again.